Hi all, Aaron Oden with Cisco here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas, giving you a quick view of our new Zoom Room experience on our Cisco hardware that was just announced this week. What I have in front of me is the Cisco Room Bar Pro running the Zoom Room experience. So what we have is our Room OS software running on the hardware in a virtualized container above our operating system, utilizing the Zoom software and now leveraging the Zoom Room experience on our hardware with the camera intelligence, audio intelligence that you expect from Cisco. If you take a look at the tablet here, you can see it is the native Zoom experience. This allows for those dedicated Zoom customers who have a need to have a native Zoom experience but love the power of Cisco's hardware, and now they have that today. We announced it this week, it's in beta and expected to be released in about 2 to 3 months. If you're looking for more information, you can find it online at www.cisco.com. Thanks for your time.